I will make a simple soccer game in Roblox with no coding experience at all. Here is the plan. Make the ball move and kick, build a simple field with goals, add sprint and stronger kicks, show players scores on screen, detect goals for each team, add a leaderboard for top players. I will show the full process in fast motion, and at the end you will see how long the final game looks and how long it really took to build. After about 40 minutes, I managed to make the ball move when I touch it by applying a force, but there is a problem. It doesn't slow down, it just keeps rolling. For now, let's move and start building the soccer field. Here is a zoom out view of the soccer field I built. It's a simpler layout with 2 goals, and I will add some color and details later. Now I'm back to fix the ball movement. Right now it just keeps rolling, so I will try to make it slow down more naturally. After about an hour, I finally fixed the ball movement. Now, when I touch it, it shoots forward and slows down like it should. At first, I used something called assembly linear velocity, but that made the ball move too perfectly in a straight line. So I switched to apply impulse instead, and that made the movement feel more natural. It took some time, but I finally got the sprint boost working. When I hold shift, the player moves faster, and if I touch the ball while sprinting, the kick is a lot stronger. I use something called user input service input began, which lets the game detect when a key is pressed, like shift for sprinting. Two more hours in, and I finished the GUI that shows the score for the blue and red teams. Next, I'm planning to update the score when the ball touches a goal. To do that, I will use something called the touch event. It runs whenever one object touches another. For example, if the ball hits the red goal, the red goal's touch event will fire. Then I can use that to increase the team score. After another 2 hours of hard work, I finally added the leaderboard. Now players are ranked based on how many goals they scored, but there is still a bug I need to figure out. Sometimes the total goals on the leaderboard don't match what's shown on the GUI. For example, if player A and player B each scores 2 goals, there should be 4 in total, but sometimes the GUI only shows 3. I'm not sure why that's happening yet, but I will dig into it and try to fix it later. After 3 hours and 40 minutes of work, I finally figured out what was breaking the score system. The problem was that I wasn't using a remote event to send data from the server to the player's screen. I was only updating things locally, so each player saw different scores, which obviously didn't work. To fix it, I used a remote event that fires whenever a goal is scored, sending the updated data to the local GUI. That made everything sync properly across all players. I also added some color and polish to the field to make it look better. And now, after around 10 hours of learning, building and debugging, the game is finally working and ready to play. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more beginner experiments like this one.